Today, Machine TV is at Iscar, South Africa, where they're holding a customer seminar. The main focus is on Industry 4.0 and some of the recently launched Logic high-feed milling cutters. So Gavin, tell us, what is this morning about here?
This was a continuation to our product launch that we held during June, where we launched the total new chest line for the Logic products. And this is just bringing the customers closer to the actual tools that they saw at the launch, where they can physically see them now, hear them, sense them, and see the enhancements that they can achieve by utilizing the new Logic products. And it's just having that closer relationship with the customer and discussing the information with him close at hand.
That's fantastic. Let's go inside and have a look.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Iscar facility. The Iscar facility, it's something we're extremely proud of, and it's always a great occasion for us to share it with our customers. Today we're going to have a short overview of Industry 4.0. It's the latest buzzword in manufacturing, so we'll have a quick overview of that. The format we always use with this type of seminar is we keep you here for basically 2 hours. We know you guys are busy. We know you have very limited time available. So we have you here for 2 hours. We first introduce you to the products, and then we do demonstrations for you on the products that we have discussed. We recently held the Logic launch in South Africa. This is now the forerunner which we're going to utilize going forward, where we're going to take many of the products that you saw, those of you that did attend the Logic launch. We will now look at the products actually in application. It's always good to see them in theory on the screen, but we as technical people, it's always good to hear the product, to see the product functioning, and therefore we run these short seminars introducing a small portion of the Logic product that we introduced at the launch during the month of June. So welcome to you guys. Thank you very much for availing the time out of your busy schedule, and we really hope that you enjoy the day with us today. And I look forward to the comments that you have afterwards, sharing your experiences and what you have seen, sharing with us during the snack time that we have afterwards. Thank you, and welcome to Iscar. It's the passion that the man has a nation of where we are with it. What third industrial revolution took place.
Customers will be coming over to the tech center in a few moments to have a look at some of the products that they've just heard about being demoed on the machines.
Welcome guys. I'm going to do a quick demo.
Thank you guys from the 0.7 times D. The new Logic line is 1.5 times. We will doing a shelled operation. A minute, FZ 0.052. That was a table speed of 848 millimeters a minute. The next demonstration will be the Logic 4 feed. For the next operation, you will be in the center of the watch. You will do a pocket extraction. The presentation where we can mount the two different inserts, the square insert and the 4-feet insert, onto the same cutter body. is our smallest injectable people from 8 millimeters to 10. Engraving tool will do the engraving on the board. Fits onto the multi-mortar system, MMEPG.
Did you find this morning beneficial?
Yes, I did. It was very informative.
Yeah, very. Definitely, yeah.
Very interesting, very informative, and we learned a lot. We're usually busy with big stuff and big tooling and that, and we learned a lot about going smaller and faster. Very, very nice.
And anything in particular that impressed you?
Well, like I said, the smalling inserts going for that, for speed and saving there.
Thanks a lot for that.